My four little legs go run, 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 and I love sausages. Yum, yum, yum. This is an easy peasy chant to do and paper puppet craft to do with young language learners. First of all, let's have a look at the chant and then I'll show you how to make the paper puppet. And I've got a template for you to download too. So the chant goes like this. I am a puppy. My name is King Buddy. I have a gold crown, all new and shiny. I have two black eyes and a nose so brown. My royal coat is the best in town. I have four little legs that go run, run, run. And I love sausages. Yum, yum, yum. So that's it, a really simple chant, and the puppet is even more simple to make too. Now, to make the puppet, you'll find, I'm losing my royal buddy puppet. You can download a teacher's version, that's a coloured version for you to make the puppet. And I also have for you a black and white version as well that your students can cut out and colour in themselves. Included also is the chant. Now, to make the paper puppet, it's really super simple. I'm going to show you the back of it. It's an accordion puppet. La! And it has that fun surprise to make it. If you can see on the back, I've just stuck the paper to card, and you'll just need two lollipop sticks and to stick it with some tape. So you'll need a little bit of cardstock. You just fold it up as an accordion like this. And you can have your students do that. Two lollipop sticks and some sellotape and scissors. And as I said, all you need to do is cut it out, fold it up, stick it on the back, and you have your paper puppet ready to do his royal chant. Have fun. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, be theatrical.